Ah, here is the fact of the day.
Did you know that electricity and water were implemented in Jamaica before it came to the United States? Black River, right? Yeah, because we have this really strong culture, strong past, the strong things that make us stronger and better because we're number one.
I am Leo Gilling, and you can find me on YouTube, youtube.com/ Leo Gilling. You can also find me on Facebook. Just search Leo Gilling. I'm the only one. You can also email me at leogilling@gmail.com. Leogilling@gmail.com. That's easy.